How to clear cache to fix ChatGPT loading issues. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search chatgpt.com. Here, click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, here click on Delete Browsing Data. After you click on Delete Browsing Data, simply click on Last Minute at the top and make sure it's All Time, which is the last option. After you've selected All Time, press on Delete Data. After you've deleted the data from here, simply delete the tab from your Chrome and open ChatGPT again, log into your account, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to clear cache to fix ChatGPT loading issues. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.